In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a PDF from editing inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up that PDF you'd like to be locked or add a lock to. So I've got this example one here. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on the Home tab or File tab. Then from here, we need to look for document properties. So click on document properties. Now you got document properties are going to appear like so. Then from here, click onto security, and now to the right it says no security currently added. So from here we can add a password or certificate security. So I'm just going to add a password. Now we can encrypt all documents, and we can encrypt the documents content sex metadata or encrypt only file attachments. So I'm just going to keep on the first one, required password to open this document. So I'm just going to add in a easy password and then confirm that password. Then basically from here, we can go ahead and click on OK. And then it says here, security settings will not be applied until the document is saved and can be changed until the document is closed. So what I'm going to do is click OK, OK. Now I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Now I'm going to reopen that document to show that I've added in a signature, a password. So I'm just going to enter that password to go ahead and view that document, PDF, etc.